Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today, I want you to imagine something for a second. Picture the raw power and iconic presence of a Peterbilt rolling down the highway. Now combine that with the comfort, technology, and luxury of a penthouse on wheels. That's exactly what we're diving into today. This is the 2026 Peterbilt Style Motorhome, a machine that doesn't just travel the road, it dominates it. Asterisk, from the very first glance, this motorhome makes a statement. The long, bold hood, the aggressive grille, the polished chrome details everything about its design screams authority. This isn't a typical RV trying to look tough. This is Peterbilt DNA through and through. Park it anywhere, and it instantly becomes the center of attention. It looks like it belongs on a movie set or leading a convoy across the country. Asterisk, underneath that commanding exterior is serious power. The 2026 Peterbilt Style Motorhome is built on a heavy-duty truck platform, delivering massive torque and rock stability. Long climbs, rough highways, strong crosswinds, this thing doesn't flinch. It feels planted, confident, and engineered for real-world, long-distance domination. Whether you're towing, cruising, or climbing, it handles everything with ease. Asterisk, now step inside, and the vibe completely shifts from brute strength to elite luxury. The interior feels more like a private jet than a motorhome. Premium leather seating, real wood accents, brushed metal finishes, and ambient LED lighting create an atmosphere that's both modern and masculine. Every surface feels intentional, high quality, and built to last. Asterisk. The living area is spacious and intelligently designed. Large slide-outs expand the space, giving you room to relax, entertain, or work on the road. The seating layout is perfect for long drives or late-night conversations. And the panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light, making every destination feel even more alive. Asterisk, the kitchen is where functionality meets luxury. Full-size appliances, induction cooktops, smart storage solutions, and high-end countertops make it easy to cook real meals anywhere in the world. This isn't camping food, this is road travel, fine dining. Everything is placed exactly where you need it, making life on the road smooth and effortless. Asterisk, the bedroom is pure comfort. A king-size bed, sound insulation, soft lighting, and climate control create a quiet retreat after long days of driving. You don't feel like you're sleeping in a vehicle, you feel like you're in a luxury hotel suite, moving at highway speed. In the bathroom, fully equipped with a premium shower, modern fixtures, and enough space to actually move comfortably. Asterisk, technology is everywhere in this motorhome. A fully digital cockpit, large infotainment screens, navigation, camera systems, smart controls for lighting and climatol, designed to make driving and living easier. Safety features like lane assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and advanced braking systems ensure confidence on every mile. Asterisk. What truly sets the 2026 Peterbilt Style Motorhome apart is its personality. This isn't just about luxury, it's about identity. It's for people who love the road, respect power, and refuse to compromise on comfort. It's for those who want their motorhome to feel as bold and legendary as the journey itself. Asterisk, if you're looking for something that blends truck heritage with modern luxury. Something that turns every drive into an experience. The Peterbilt Style Motorhome 2026 is in a league of its own. Let me know in the comments, would you take this beast on a cross-country adventure? And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Because the road only gets better from here.